Hey everybody! Today we are changing the clutch on Christian's bike, so stay tuned.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to Love Machine.
Ready for the clutch.
Alright,
So what are you doing? Explain what you're doing.
so now I gotta take off the exhaust. Dang, I don't know how I'm gonna get that in there. I might need to use an actual Allen key. So this, I'm gonna need to pull through. Oh, never mind.
Okay, that was easy.
So I need to seal this up. I think it's stuck on the inside. I need to clean this. They're not gonna break or crack anything unless you're taking off the exhaust like a lot.
Yeah.
But if you're doing it like here and there, it's not too big of a deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's nasty. I need to pour it out. You're gonna put the wire brush. Definitely burned some oil in its day. I'm marking all of these holes here. I'm also gonna do an outline of the gasket, so that way I know exactly where each bolt goes because they are different lengths and depths. So you don't. It's not a one size fits all. So you really don't want to mess that up. You just want to make sure they're all put in a proper place. So by doing this, I can just pop the bolts in here. I know exactly where they go.
Okay.
These only are going to have about 7 foot-pounds of torque on it when you torque them up. So you really don't want to. I mean, and you could put any seeds if you want. I'm not going to. It should come right off. You recording?
Yes. A little oil dripping in there. There she is. So you just reuse that basket. Chains, gears going on.
Looks pretty good in there. One thing we're not going to disturb and mess with is that bearing in the center. When I take out these springs, they're going to be under load as well, possibly. So I'm going to take those off nice and carefully. We'll also look at the, heat patterns on the friction and drive plates and see the wear. And I already know it's going to be bad just for me riding it.
Yeah, is that gonna come flying off?
So it might be under load.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So let's see it.
Those are way loose.
So the spring probably doesn't matter what way you put it in, huh?
No.
Okay.
But the other ones, I already checked those. Those are way stiffer.
Yeah. Okay. 3 more times.
In the middle of this, pop it off nice and easy. Same when you're taking off any of the clutch plates. You don't want to mess with anything like that. Bearing usually stays on there, so we're going to carefully put that back on
yeah.
there.
Little pin bearings, huh?
Yeah, nice and easy. And put it back on the same way it came off. Just like that. There's that. We'll just already do it. Yeah, these are pretty thin. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, big time heat.
So yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna get this done tonight and like the clutch adjustment. But I'm not gonna be able. I might be able to take it
for a ride at home, dude.
Maybe, I don't know. Things are going too good to be true. They usually are. Okay, that's just how it is.
Hey guys, so we're back. Our part came and it arrived today in this really weird, came in a box, right? Like you'd expect. Then they wrapped some, I don't know what that is. I am not touching that. A for effort, I guess. I'm keeping it safe. That's the part. That's the part. So we're back in business. So I won't tell you guys what really happened, but somebody adjusted the torque wrench to 70 instead of 7. So that's why that nut broke off.
I feel the best when I'm riding it, dude. I've been itching.
Oh yeah.
I ride 5 to 7 days a week, every single day almost, dude. I'm dying. It's been a week and I'm dead.
We gonna get this done today?
That's the plan. I think I have to come back tomorrow and do any final adjustments and then ride home.
Right. So he's got a bigger bit. He's going through the plate again. This is an old plate off the old clutch. And we're trying to come up with a way to hold that wheel down so we can crank on that bolt. Okay. 47 foot-pounds.
The wood clicks, so you gotta listen carefully.
There you go.
Is that...
Seems like we've done this before. Maybe if your dad doesn't set the torque wrench to 70 pounds instead of 7 foot-pounds, we'll get it this time. Man, I'm sorry about that. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. But I did replace the part that broke. I did buy a new part for him. So.
Take 2.
Should be. Your handy dandy thingy right there. It's gonna take a minute. So you decided to put oil in it before the exhaust, just so you didn't forget. You tightened down the nut, the drain plug.
Yeah, it's also just in case there is a leak. I have to take off the exhaust to take this cover off.
Oh.
So, I mean, I've done a little bit at a time. I don't see any signs of leaking at all. So I think we're good to go. But I wanted to make sure if it did, then I could tighten a couple things up or take it off if I had to.
Once the oil pressure builds, I guess it'll be the true test, huh?
Yeah.
You got her all on. We got the necessities. Yeah, a little bit. Can. Beef jerky. Okay guys, well, you saw him right away. It's all done. Got my lift back. I gotta clean up some stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you know when I release a new video. If not, give a thumbs down, that's okay too. You know, we try to make it entertaining. There's just a lot of knowledge and things that you have to do when you're doing a clutch. Take care, catch you later, see you next time. I'm out.